Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukon Rat Ki Sangma Hakakat Nyau Tarik Nailar Ahraja Alpaulai Ula Ong Ba Umut Ban Yok Thaw Sorkar Hadin Ke Election Ukon Rat Ula Don Bentah Kajing Langba Jongko All Jantia Mutdur Roll Workers and Labour Union Ha Umulong Western Hills Ula Ong Bahaba Ula Alam Ya Sorkar Ha Usnam Ahraja Khatpra Kidon Kijing Jongki Mutdur Roll Bom Tikna Ya Tulop Bat Bantek Lakam Ya Kijing Ula Batha Ya Katanat Pratingka Kajala Ban Pen Up Lupa Lai Bnai Kapisa Syakitanat Kenang ban om kenduk jing kinong tray.
Just before the elections, I was invited to your program. But I thought at that point in time to tell you that as your Chief Minister and as a government, we are always there with you. I remember 2018, when the election got over. I did not contest the election that time. I never expected that our government will be formed. The decision must be guided by whether it is good for the people or not. We had the opportunity to serve our state in the last many years before 2018 as MLAs, as opposition leader, as MP. We saw the suffering that people were going through. I saw the suffering of the master roads. I remember as Member of Parliament, your advisor and your advisor and the founder of the All Jantia Master Rolls Workers and Labour Union, Pyllait. I don't know if you all know this or not, but we used to chat on Facebook and other social media 10 years back. That is how long I know him for. Even that time he used to tell me about the problems of the master road, about the problems of the cooks. We used to discuss. So it's not that I'm here just because you invited me today and just because we have done few things. I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years. Even when I was not Chief Minister. And hence when I got the opportunity to be the Chief Minister, rightly as said by Master Balan Bhat, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the Chief Secretary and the finance and other officials, why can't we give the master rolls their salary on time? If all of us are receiving our salary on the first, why give a different treatment to the master rolls? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told Finance Department, release the money in advance. Gave 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out. But the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many master roles, different departments have different systems. But I'm happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the master rolls today are getting their salaries on time. We are ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation to take care of the expenditures that you have.